Select one underlined word or phrase that needs to be changed to make the sentence correct, or indicate that none of the underlined parts are in error. Currently, there are only 2 countries in the world with a population that exceeds 1 billion people, China and India. Let's go through each choice to see if there's a mistake that needs correcting. B. Currently. This word is separated from the rest of the sentence with a comma, which is correct. Currently is a time phrase, and English grammar rules dictate that time phrases must be separated from the rest of the sentence with a comma. As this is correct, this choice can be marked off. C. With a population that exceeds. Here we find a superfluous comma. The phrase following that is a restrictive clause. That is, it's a clause that supplies essential information to the sentence. If we were to remove that information, we'd be left with, there are only 2 countries in the world with a population, China and India, which we can hear sounds ludicrous. English grammar rules dictate that a restrictive clause that supplies essential information to the meaning of the sentence should not be separated off with a comma. As we find a comma here, this is likely our answer, but we can take a look at choice D just to be sure. D. 1 billion people. Here we see the word people followed by a colon. Colons are used to introduce lists or for emphasis. As we do find a list here, China and India, a list of the countries whose populations exceed 1 billion, we can see that all is in order here. This being the case, we can mark this choice as incorrect and mark choice C as our final answer.